Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2018 GMC Terrain and I will show you which two fuses to check in case your check engine light is on and the codes are showing towards the faulty O2 sensors. Make sure to always check these fuses before you decide to replace the sensors themselves. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. Both lambda sensor fuses will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, in front of the battery, right here. Now to remove this cover, you will have a couple of black tabs, one here, one here, one here. You just want to press onto this and lift it up to unlock it and remove the cover. Once you have the cover off, on the back side of the cover, there is a small fuse diagram. This white piece right here, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the two of the O2 sensors are fuse number F3, which is a 15 amp fuse, and the fuse number F15, which is a 10 amp fuse. So like I said, always make sure to check those two fuses if you are getting O2 sensor codes, because that's really easy to replace and cheap to fix, right? And if both of the fuses are good, then you'll have to probably look into replacing the O2 sensors. But first things first. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.